Hello friends, and today we'll learn the another type of visualization in Grafana. So that is text. So let's see how it looks. So I've taken one of this. When you click on edit, you see that it is the text type. In this we can set the title, description, and there are three types of text: Markdown, HTML, and code. In the code you have many other languages, but we will here see Markdown and HTML. So in Markdown, whatever you will write will be shown on the dashboard, same as it is. So this you can use as text, and the other feature of this is you can display images using this. For that, you need to for that you need to open your XAMPP and start Apache server. Then go to the XAMPP folder, htdocs folder. Inside XAMPP htdocs folder, here you need to create a folder of images which will be displayed on the dashboard. The same thing we have already done in the Node dashboard. Using this link, you can open this image. If so, you can see the link is 127.0.0.1 and the folder name is image. Then the image name is sky.jpg. If you paste the same link, writing as HTML, so this will be treated as HTML link. Close the bracket and save. So now you can see the same image displaying on the dashboard. So these are the two uses of the text visualization, and there are many more which you can explore by yourself. And you can adjust the image from here only. So thanks for watching.